So now our fried rice is done. It's now ready to serve. Ta-da! So it's time to call our kids for breakfast. Guys, kain na! So for today, I will going to cook fried rice. So in Filipino, sinangag na kanin. So fried rice. And here are our ingredients. So first, of course, we have the native garlic. This one. So it's a native garlic. And then the onion. We also have some barbecue. So I already chopped it into cubes. Then our scrambled egg. Hot dog. Kikiam. This is what we call kikiam. And of course, we need our butter. There you go, our butter. Let's start. So of course, I need the butter. I have to melt the butter first. So first, let's put the garlic, our native garlic. Let's wait until it's going to be golden brown. So garlic is highly nutritious but has a very few calories. It can also reduce blood pressure. Then our onions, our red onions. And our barbecue. Smells good. And next is our hot dog. And then our kikiam. Chop into small cubes. So guys, if you want, you can mix it with vegetables, especially kangkong, to be more colorful and more healthier. So it's up to you guys. Okay, I just have an onions, I just have garlic, chicken, hot dog, and the barbecue. Now it's finally cooked. We have to put our leftover rice. So we call it bahaw. Here in the Philippines, we call it bahaw. 3 cups of leftover rice. Mix it well. And now let's put our salt. Let's mix it all together. And we have to put our 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. To taste, so that's it. So we have to mix it well until the rice is well coated with our oyster sauce. So now that our rice is finely coated, let's put it on our scrambled egg. Good. Look at that. And now, yalla! Our fried rice is done.